Hi guys, welcome back to Fitness and Wellbeing. In this video, we are going to do 5 exercises for lower back. These exercises will not only strengthen the lower back but also helps in lower back pain. So let's get on to it. So the first one is come in tabletop position. Keep your spine in a neutral position. Raise your right arm up on your shoulder level and raise your left leg up parallel to the floor. Suck your belly in. Hold this position for at least 15 to 20 seconds. Maintain balance and relax. Change it to other side. Raise your left arm up and raise your right leg up. Suck your belly in. Make sure your core should be engaged. Hold this position at least 15 to 20 seconds in beginning and relax. You can gradually increase the counts when you find you have good strength enough. You can hold this position for at least 60 seconds after gradually practicing this pose. So the second one is lay down. Keep your arms straight, palm facing each other. And as you inhale, raise your right arm up and raise your left leg up and lift up your chest and relax. Inhale, raise your left arm up and right leg up. Lift your chest up. Relax. Hold this position for at least 2 to 3 seconds. Inhale. Relax. Inhale. Relax. Repeat this sequence at least 10 to 15 times. Inhale. Relax. Inhale. Relax. Inhale. Relax. Inhale. Relax. So the third one is keep your legs close to each other. Put your hands under your shoulders. Legs should be straight. Engage your quadriceps. And as you inhale, lift your upper body. And try to lift off your hands. Hold this position at least 15 to 20 seconds. And if you find you don't have enough strength to hold at least 15 to 20 seconds, you can start with these repetitions like this. Inhale and relax. Inhale. Relax. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold this position 15 to 20 seconds. Relax. So the fourth one is Keep your arms under your thighs. Put your chin on the mat. Keep your legs close to each other, and as you inhale, lift up your lower body and relax. Again, you can do this position with the pulse. Inhale, relax. Inhale, relax. Inhale. When you find you have good strength enough, you can hold this position 15 to 20 seconds. Relax. So the last one is keep your arms straight, keep your legs straight, and as you inhale, lift up your upper body and lift up your lower body. Try to maintain the balance on your navel. Again, inhale, relax. Again, you can do this position with these counts pulses. Inhale, relax. Inhale, relax. Inhale, relax. Inhale. Hold this position at least 15 to 20 seconds. Relax. After each exercise, you can take rest at least 15 to 20 seconds in child pose or in Shavasana as per your convenience. I hope you liked this video. If you find this video helpful, please comment below in comment section. And if you really enjoyed the video, please like and share with others. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Till then, bye bye. Take care, stay fit, stay healthy, stay protected. Thank you.